Okay, great. It's Dave with AVI-SPL. We are here today with Dan from LG. Dan is our rep. Dan, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself? Tell us a little about you.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm Dan Baker with our Strategic Alliance team. I work with our different partners on different solutions in the marketplace, so video conferencing, digital signage, mounting, etc.
Excellent. And today you showed off our team. You guys came in here for a learning session with our sales team. And today this is the Express install for Microsoft Teams room. This is essentially correct me if I'm wrong here, this is a huddle space and a small room solution from anywhere from 1 to 6 people. It includes an LG display, which we'll talk about here in a second, the Panacast, and this Acadia mount from Salamander, which kind of makes it a full solution, easy to install, easy to provision. As far as setup time, what do you think this takes?
Roughly about 60 minutes or so is what I'd say. From the time that you unbox it to getting the system all provisioned up with the license, about 60 minutes is what we're seeing on average.
And no integration required for this kind of setup? Right?
No, I mean, it's a tabletop stand. You don't need to drill into a wall. You don't need to run too many cables through conduits or anything. You just set it on a table, run your cables out the bottom, and plug it on the wall, and away you go. Nice thing is that you can tell right now that when you're looking on the screen, you're 170 degrees.
Yeah, something like that. Mm-hmm.
The display itself has a 170 degree viewing angle. So you can be off center on this display and see everything that's still in the content.
Yeah, I can see you clearly. I can see myself clearly on the screen from right here. Mm-hmm. And this works perfect with the Jabra. This is the Jabra Panacast 40,
right,
which I think has a 180 degree field of view.
Correct.
So this is a perfect setup. And then this would be, what size is this? A 43, right?
Yeah, this is a 43 inch. And so the thing that we like to say on this is a little tagline. It's you can see and be seen, right? So that's the little tagline that we have with the whole solution. So you have your touch controller here, which allows you to turn on and on the meeting spaces, and then the rest of the components are all built into this stand.
That's fantastic. A lot of people are moving from large spaces to much smaller kind of modular spaces. Mm-hmm. This setup works, I think, exceptionally well because not only doesn't have to be installed into the actual wall, requires no additional provisioning or anything. Right. But you could pick this up and move this to another area. I mean, it's a little heavy,
but you can do it.
It's absolutely doable. Mm-hmm. When is this available and when is this shipping?
It's available today. It's shipping today. And we have those 4 different sizes, 43, 50, 55, and 65. So those are all available today as one SKU.
Okay, great. And that all fits on the same mount. We have no additional equipment. It's really just the size of the display.
Correct.
Based on the number of people you have in this room. But this is fantastic. Dan, thanks for coming by today.
Absolutely.
Appreciate your time looking to sell this. If you need any of this from our sales team, if you have any questions about this, contact us today.